Hello, welcome for our new tutorial, and today we will be looking at Ichimoku Cloud. Okay, so the visual support and resistance created by a Japanese journalist. Okay, so Ichimoku Cloud has these parts. The blue line is called Tenkan-sen. The red line is called Kijun-sen. The cloud, okay, the which is the important part of the Ichimoku is the line of the cloud is Senku span A, and the lower part of the cloud, which is red or brown, is Senku span B. Okay, and then this one is the Chiku span. So basically, how it works is every line is a support or resistance. So if you're above the Tenken, Kijun, Senku span A, and Senku span B, that is bullish. Okay, so if you are above this one is bullish right here. If you are below the cloud, then that is bearish, especially in 4-hour time frame. Okay? Okay. So price falls through the cloud and Kijun Sen and Tenkan Sen crosses below the Kijun Sen, cross happens in the cloud. Okay, so neutral bearish. So if you are crossing from cloud to cloud, going up and down, so that's just a neutral. Okay? If you are price bounces off the cloud, resistance. So if we are bouncing in the cloud, so that means we are finding a strong support. Okay, we usually bounce in a cloud. Okay, Tenkan-sen blue crosses over the Kijun-sen. So if the blue line crosses over the red line, okay, the Kijun-sen brown, and price crosses Kijun-sen and then the cloud, that's a strong bullish signal. Okay, so Tenkan crosses over and then crosses also the cloud. That's bullish. Okay, okay. Price breaks the cloud downwards. So if the candle also crosses the cloud, you see the candle always crosses the cloud in the thinnest part of the cloud. Look at here, it crosses here in the thinnest part of the cloud. Another here crosses at the thinnest part of the cloud. Because the bigger the cloud, the harder it breaks. Okay, so you will have hard time breaking it. So that's a good thing right there. You can also time the market by this one because you know where the cloud is and you can bounce from where it is bouncing. Okay. Okay, so price breaks the cloud downwards. Once it's below the cloud, it's gonna continue to go downward. And once it's above the cloud, price breaks the cloud upwards. So it can continue to the upside. Okay? Okay. So some basic tips. If you see the cloud crosses over from green to red, that's a sell position. Okay? So you can see you got rejected in the cloud and start dropping again. Okay? And then here in the buy signal, once it crosses the cloud, it bounces here, okay, and continues to the upside. Okay, so once the red crosses to the green, that's a bullish sign also. Okay, okay. So you can see that we are here. You can also find a crossover, so you can see the consolidation here of the candle and then pumps from the Tenkan Sen. Okay, there's a crossover in the Kijun, and then the red line crosses below again, and then from here pumps the price. Okay, so that's a good buy signal also. Okay, so now let's check some real-time ex- illustration here. Okay, so in daily time frame, this is our daily time frame. Look at how strong the cloud is. This cloud right here has become a strong support. Okay, we have tested it so many times. One, two, three, four, five, and we were not able to break the cloud. Okay, so with this one, you can expect that the price continues to go up. Okay, and it pump another. How much did it pump from here? 73.55%. Okay, so we pump that price right there. Okay. So it moves 73% from this cloud right here. Okay. So that's how strong the cloud is. You can use it for put and resistance. And right here, another is this one trying to really hold the cloud again. But from our awesome oscillator, it can tell us that it's already bearish. So it did not hold here. Okay, so we have a test. We are almost able to copy this bounce here, but we didn't. We break the cloud. Once you break the cloud, you can see a huge drop from there. Okay, so that's a huge drop. That's why the cloud is so important. If it doesn't hold, you can really see a long wick. Okay, this is at 22% after dropping from this cloud. Okay, and since then we have stayed below the cloud. Okay, we experienced some above the cloud, but we are again back inside the cloud. Always breaking in the thinnest part of the cloud. Okay, the thinnest part of the cloud, the thinnest part of the cloud. And now, where is the thinnest part of the cloud? Is right here. It's hard to break, so we might go some consolidation and find some real breakout in this area. If we try, this can be our only exit. Okay, so that's how you use your Ichimoku Cloud. Okay, okay. So for the setup, how you going to use? You just type Ichimoku Cloud here. You can have this one, and you just click it. Okay, so this is the Ichimoku. And then from here, your setup would be just the default. Okay, just a default. So if you want to remove the lines like Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, you just remove the conversion and the baseline. If you don't want also to see the lagging span, then you can have a clearer chart. So you can remove the tree and then just leave the cloud. It's also fine. Okay. But for added support and resistance, you can always add these two. Okay. Okay. So I hope this helps. All the best. Cheers. See you in our next tutorial. And don't forget to join our Telegram community. We are growing here, Practical Trade Scholar. Okay, you just scan the QR and you will be redirected. Okay, all the best, all the best. Cheers. Bye bye.